The Boeing 747 made its maiden voyage in 1969. It would go on to revolutionize civil aviation, putting long-haul flights within reach and connecting the world like never before. This year, Boeing delivers its last 747. In celebration of this extraordinary aircraft, Breitling is releasing a special edition Navitimer, one of the most recognizable watches of all time, a pilot's chronograph that over 70 years has become a global icon. The legendary watch and the Queen of the Skies come together in this commemorative timepiece, limited to 747 pieces. Introducing the Navitimer Boeing 747.